Hey students, good morning. So in the previous class, we discussed about the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Those are 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees. Okay, so now we prepare a table based on that angles to that trigonometric ratios, the values of the trigonometric ratios for 0 and 90 degrees also. Okay, so we are taking an vertex A. So that measure of that vertex A is angle is to be 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. So for these angles, the trigonometric ratios sine, cos, tan, cot, cosecant, secant. Okay. So here sine 0 degrees is equal to 0. 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Means it is a sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degrees is 1. Okay, clear? So means the next trigonometric ratio cos. For cos 0 degrees, 1, 30, 1 root 3 by 2, 45, 1 by root 2, cos 60 degrees, 1 by 2, cos 90 degrees, 0. So we can observe here sin and cos. Okay, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Write the reverse order of those values. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Clear? Then same tan and cot. Okay, tan A is equal to tan 0 degrees value is 0, tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3, tan 45 degrees value is 1, tan 0 degrees and 60 degrees value is root 3, tan 90 degrees value is not defined, tan 90 degrees value is not defined. Same procedure cot. So write the reverse order for that. Not defined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Okay, clear? So then cosecant and secant same. Cosecant not defined for 0 degrees. Cosecant 30 degrees 2. Cosecant 45 degrees root 2. Cosecant 60 degrees 2 by root 3. Cosecant 90 degrees 1. And reverse for secant 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 not defined. Okay. These are the angles for these trigonometric ratios. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay. So then we can observe the table clearly once again. So first sine, we will find the values of sine, then automatically the remaining trigonometric ratios values are very easy for us. For example, we assume that so root 0 by 4 it is that, coming to this 30 degrees, root 1 by 4, root 2 by 4. So గుడ్డి కూడా తట్టాం కదా, సో దాని పర్పస్ root 3 by 4, root 4 by 4. Coming to that concept for sine, root 0 by 4. 0 by anything is equal to 0. Square root of 0 is 0. This is the 0 degrees value for sine trigonometric ratio. Coming to the 30 degrees value for sine trigonometric ratio, to find it we can use that value is to be root 1 by 4. So root 1 by 4 means the root is to be applicable to the both numerator and denominator. Numerator is root 1, root 1 is 1, then root 4 is 2. Then the result of that 30 degrees is for sine 30 degrees sine trigonometric ratio is 1 by 2. Coming to that, it is root 2 by 4. Numerator root 2, denominator root 4. Instead of that, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Clear? By simplifying that, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Numerator is root 1, that is 1. Denominator is root just 2 only. Okay, root 2 only. Clear? I understand what is it? Right. So it is to that root 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are, means it is to be root 1 by 2. Root 1 is 1 by root 2 is root 2. So that is the value of that trigonometric ratio. So it is 1 by root 2. Then coming to the 60 degrees, root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4, root is cannot simplify it. Why? Because those are, this is a prime number, this is not multiple of that. So root is applicable to the both numerator and denominator separately. Root 3 as it is. Root 4 square root by root 4 is 2. Okay, clear? That is root 3 by 2 is the value for the 60 degrees for the sine trigonometric ratio. 90 degrees 4 ones are 4 ones are means root 1 by 1. Root 1 by 1 means root 1. Root 1 value is 1. Clear? So this is the way to remember the values of 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degrees very easily. Clear? Root 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Okay? Yeah, this is the method to use it to find it. Okay? So for sine, so then we understand how to write the sine trigonometric ratios values for these specific angles. Then to write that cos, write the reverse order of that. Okay, already I said now. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Clear. Then coming to the tan trigonometric ratio. Already we know that the formula for the tan trigonometric ratio is to be sine by cos. The ratio of sine by cos is tan. Already I said. Tan is sine by cos. Means sine by cos means 0 by 1 is 0. 0 by 1 is 0. Then again for 30 degrees, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, the balance is 1 by root 3. Then 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel, the result is 1. Then root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 to cancel, the result is root 3 by 1. Then the final result is root 3 only. Then 1 by 0. 1 by 0. 1 by 0. Denominator is 0. The result is not defined for us. Okay, the denominator is 0, the result is not defined. Then 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay, so for cot trigonometric ratio, write it as that reverse order like that. Not defined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Other than that, cot is ratio of cos and sine. Ratio of cos and sine means 1 by 0, not defined. 1 by 0, not defined. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 is root 3, like that. Okay, then cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine. Reciprocal of the sine. Cosecant means it is 1 by sine. 1 by sine. 1 by sine means 1 by sine value 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by root 2 is 2. 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. Clear? Then secant is write the reverse order like this. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, not defined. Other than that, we have the one more value for that. Secant is the reciprocal for cos. Means that secant is 1 by cos a. 1 by cos a means 1 by 1, 1. 1 by root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 means root 2. 1 by 2 means 2. 1 by 0 means not defined. Okay. So by using these values, we will solve the total trigonometric problems. Okay.